have the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to enable or disable a SIM card or SIM cards. So this is a dual SIM OnePlus 13, comes with provision for 2 physical SIM cards and also eSIM. And for eSIM you can add as many eSIM profiles as you want. So to enable or disable, just go to mobile networks, swipe up and go to settings, and then go to mobile network. Now here, as you can see, I have 2 SIM cards. I can tap on any active SIM card and disable it from here. Just tap on that toggle button and now that SIM card is disabled. You can even see the network bars disappearing right there in the status bar. And then to enable, just enable by turning that on. And you should see the network bars appearing and that SIM card is now enabled. It's really that simple. And you can go back and do that same thing for this other SIM card. And if you want to disable eSIM completely on your phone, you can just scroll down and go to the eSIM section. And then if you disable from here, that's going to turn off all eSIM profiles. This is basically a kill switch to disable all eSIM profiles. But when you're here, it's just basically disabling the 2 active SIM cards, whether it's a physical SIM, whether it's an eSIM, doesn't really matter. As long as there are the 2 active SIM cards on your phone, you can enable and disable them from here. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips. I'd really appreciate that. And good luck.